how good is the nice mate, nice BMW. Bitch. How good, start again, take two, clink. How good is the motorcycle news, motorcycle show at the XL Centre? Stay tuned and I will tell you. Fuck off! Right, I live about 6 miles from the XL Centre. It takes me, without traffic, 10 minutes, with this traffic, about 15, maybe 20 minutes to get there, yeah? And even though I'm on my way there, I'm not going. And why am I not going, you ask yourselves? And yourselves answer, why aren't you going, Paul? I will tell you, because it is fucking shit. It is absolutely a waste of 25 quid. I would rather pull over and the next fucking homeless beggar person I see, give them 25 quid, than give Motorcycle News and Carol Nash 25 quid of my hard-earned pennies. All you do, you go there, they've got out of stock last year's and the year before bits and pieces for sale. Absolute waste of fucking time. They've got bikes. Hello, Charlie ahead having a little bit of a rever. They've got bikes there that, well, basically you can go and see in the latest bike shop. Oh, so you see me, you look in your mirror, cunt, and then you pull to the left a bit more. Fucking stain. Pikey cunt. What are these two doing?
I don't know what this fucking idiot's doing. He's over in his own fucking lane.
Yeah, making it up as he goes along, ain't he? Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, the bikes. Go and see them in your bike shop. Get yourself a fucking test ride. It's a lot easier. Save yourself 25 quid. I mean, I went there 2 years ago to see the fucking KTM 790. And what was it?
Say, come on.
chill, orange peel. And what was it? It was fucking missing. It wasn't there. Now, I'm not being funny. You go there to see a bike that was released in Italy, went up to fucking Birmingham, was up there, comes down to London, not there. And I say, like, it was there last year. Cheap shit fucking plastic it was. Absolutely crap. The fucking fit and finish on it was absolutely terrible. That's beside the point. That ain't why you shouldn't go there, because it's not any good. The only good thing about it, and I must say it is absolutely brilliant, is they have bikes there for auction. Right? And you get to see all the old 70s and 80s bikes, which I absolutely love, what I grew up with, like the old RD250s, RD400F, that's what I used to have, RD400F, oh, all speed expansions, nice white coffin tank, oh, happy days. But anyway, we're on the way past the XL, and yeah, is it worth a visit? Nah. In my opinion, save your pennies and fuck them right off. Okay, well, hope this was of some interest to you. You're going to get all the little videos come up later on going, oh, it was really good, you missed out on this, you missed out on that. Hell no. What I'd like to add is, the only good thing about the XL Centre is you get free, secure bike parking. How's about that then? That's worth £25 of anyone's money. And don't get me started on the price of food. Suits you, sir. Oh well, catch you in the next one. Boom.